What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the Crypto Channel 3 tonight. Let's go to another pocket options video. It's been a minute since last time I made a video about pocket options. Just been busy. Okay, so I didn't have much time to record pocket options or any other video. Okay, guys, simply busy. Okay, so today's video we're gonna try see if we can make like 10 to 20 bucks, and that will be enough for this session. Okay, so I've got 202, so I'm gonna use a maximum of 20 bucks in this session. Okay, guys, so if I lose 20 bucks, yeah, so be it. And if I make 20 bucks, great. Okay, so let's have a look and let's see what's up. So currently I'm looking at Apple, 30 seconds per candle. Okay, trades, it's going to be 1 minute and 15 seconds. And for this trade that I'm going to do right now, I'm going to use 2.3 cents per trade. Okay, so what I'm looking at right now, we can see that we are clearly on the uptrend. Okay, and every time the price chart comes over here to the 100 EMA, test it out, goes back up. Okay, almost tried, and now seems like it's going to break below. If it's going to break below, then this trade is no longer going to be valid, because I was expecting the price to come over here to the 100 EMA and bounce back up, so I could ride the price on the way up. But if it's not going to happen, then I will have to look for a different price chart. Okay, so let's have a look. Seems like this one is going to continue to go down, as you can see right here. Um, it doesn't look good, so if that's the case, I'm going to flick through and see if I can find new opportunities. Okay, in the meantime, we can see that I have the Keltner channel, and we got the zigzag over here. So the zigzag is just to help me, to guide me, to show me where the highest and lowest points are. Okay, and then from there we can see, we can have a visual higher point and lower points. Okay, and we got the Keltner channel. Okay, we can see that usually every time the highest point is reached, okay, the price goes back down, and same goes to the opposite side. Okay, so highest point was reached, went all the way down, lowest point was reached, went all the way up, and so on. Okay, sometimes it doesn't happen. So if you are on the uptrend, it doesn't happen as often, but majority of the time it happens. Okay, so this chart is on the uptrend, as you can see right here. So we can see that the lowest point didn't come all the way down, okay, to the Kettner channel, but still on. And me talking over here, I am missing the opportunity, all right? So seems like the trade already happened. Okay, so we're going to take one trade over there, another one here, and let's see if it goes lower. Another one there. So we got 3 trades going on, so I'm going to leave it as it is. So hopefully price, we're going to have a continuation to the upside, because we can see right here, bullish candle. And we also can see that if all goes well, we're going to have a crossover over here on the MACD. Okay, and we can see green candles coming up over here on Instagram. So hopefully we're going to have a continuation. The price will come over here to the other side of the Keltner channel, and from there we hopefully going to be able to secure these 3 trades. Okay, so we got 30 seconds to go. Okay, hopefully we're going to be able to score these 3 trades, and yeah, so let's wait and see. We got 20 seconds to go. 14 seconds. Price is pulling back a little bit, so 9 seconds. So 3 seconds. First one is clear. Second one is clear. And third one is clear. Okay, cool. So today I've played 5 trades, as you can see right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 wins so far. Okay, cool. I'm happy with that. And let's adjust this to 1%. So instead of 203, now we got 209. Okay. So as you could see right here, price came, went a little bit below the 100 EMA, And like I said, the lowest point was right here, and now we got the bounce back up. And we can do better. So if we do array, we could see something like this. Okay, we can see, we can have an idea about where the price might go next. So the price might come all the way to here, okay, because we are clearly on the uptrend, and most likely the price will come all the way to here, okay? But you know, that would be a gamble. So right now I wouldn't take that entry because I feel like I'm too late. Okay, over here was a good entry point, right? Over here, not so good because the price might not reach this line, but you know, as you can see right here, price is really pumping, so most likely it's going to hit this line, and guess what, once it hits this line, most likely it's going to reverse, pull back a little bit, and continue to the upside if we have the continuation of the uptrend. Okay, so we come over here and we can do this. Yeah, as you can see right here, we are clearly on the uptrend. That's why I like to use the zigzag, because it can give me a guidance, an idea what's happening. Okay, that's just right there. So we can see, right? So the price might come all the way here, and then might bounce back down to this area right here. As you can see right here, price is already pulling back down, and it doesn't look like it's going to reach this level right here, and it's all good because we already took our trade. Okay, so that being said, let's look around and let's see if we can find similar scenarios. Okay guys, so after browsing through the charts, you know, I found a few potential pairs that we might be able to trade. We got this one over here. We got this one, this one. You know, all these ones we're gonna try to use the same strategy, the bouncing back, up and down. Okay. So for example, this one right here, bounce back up, down. So now we're just waiting to see if it's gonna bounce back up. Okay. At the same time, we gotta be able to analyze the price, the overall price chart. So how's the trend looking like? Okay. Any key levels, any resistance levels? Okay. So we gotta be able to identify all that. You know, because even though we got 30 seconds, you know, we have to make sure we analyze and we have the best scenarios possible, because we don't want to take gambles. Okay, this is already a gamble. So if we can make the most of it prior to take the trade, that's better. Okay, because most of the times that I lose trades, I realize that I didn't analyze the chart properly, you know, because if I go back and analyze it properly, I would be like, nah, I wouldn't take that trade. But, you know, we gotta trade to be able to learn, right? So that's what we're doing right now. So as you can see right here, you know, price is going down and it doesn't seem like it's gonna bounce back up anytime soon. So we're gonna skip this chart. Let's go over to the next one. So this one is also not bouncing back up because I was expecting a pullback around this area right here. We got one here, we got one here, and I would expect around here, but it failed to pull back. So this is no longer valid, or it might be good to go lower. Okay, but let's leave it alone, right? So this one right here, price, oh, I'm too late already, so I missed it. So I should have tried to jump in around here. Okay, so the pullback is already happening, so we're gonna leave it. Let's have a look at this one. If it broke below this local low right here, okay, so seems like we're gonna have a continuation to the downside. We're gonna leave it alone. Damn. And Apple, there you go. Apple is already going up. So it bounced back up, down, and seems like it's going up again. And I missed it. I missed that one. So, and also it broke below the line that we designed a few minutes ago. Okay. But from what I can see right here on Instagram, everything shows green. Over here shows green as well. You know, even though the candles are a bit weak, these three candles right here are a bit weak. Feels like the price can have a continuation to the upside. Okay, but the price came pumping all the way from here. Okay, So I don't think it's gonna pump that much, and seems like the trend is about to reverse, because as you can see right here, this local high failed to, break much higher than the previous one. So it doesn't seem like it's going to continue to go up. All right. So it feels like it's going to go down from here. Okay. If that's the case, instead of going up, we might take a down position, a lower position on this one. So I'm going to wait a few more candles. Let's see what's happening. And if you have a confirmation, then we're going to go lower. So let's see what's going on. Okay, guys, so we got this situation right here. We clearly can see that this is on the uptrend. Okay, bounce down, up, down, up, down, and now feels like he's gonna go back up. Okay, if that's the case, we're gonna take a higher position. Okay, so we can see two green bars right here. So I'm just waiting for this candle to close, and then from there, I will make my decision if I'm gonna take the trade to go up or just leave it as it is. Okay, because the other charts, I was expecting the bounce back up, but they didn't actually went up. So I'm glad I didn't take the trade. Okay, but um, usually works. Okay, so let's see what happens. So we got three green bars right there, which is a good thing. It's a sign that the downtrend is reversing, and we might see the price going up. Okay, so we got a little bit of consolidation right here, and feels like it's time to start taking a trade, because otherwise we're gonna miss our trade altogether. Okay, so we're gonna take a trade. So we're just gonna wait for the candle to come down, and we're gonna take one trade, one there. So let's see if I can take another trade. So if the price comes below my entry price, I will take another trade. And usually I decided to lately, because I've been trying this on the demo mode, I decided to try it on, three trades at a time. So instead of just deploy one trade and let it roll, if the price goes a little bit lower, I'll take another one and another one. Because sometimes I just lose for a little bit or just win for a little bit. Okay. So three trades, sometimes, I get like 2 out of 3 or 3 out of 3 or 1 out of 3. Okay. So even though sometimes I lose all trades, it goes for the experience, right? Because we need to get the experience. So I missed this one right here while I'm talking. So that's why when you trade, you make sure you got full concentration. Okay. So how many seconds? We got 14 seconds in the first one, 45 seconds in the second one. So let's see if we can clear these two trades. Hopefully, yes. So 5 seconds on the first one. So if I took in the third trade right here, would be good most likely, because look at where the price is right now. So we got 25 seconds for the second trade. Yeah, the third trade would be good over here. Okay, that's why I took one trade, two trades, and three trades. Okay, seems like we got 12 seconds, 10 seconds to go. Hopefully we're gonna clear this one too. And yeah, we made $10. So we start 202, so now we got 212, so that's the 5% clear right there. Okay, guys. So I'm going to wrap this up for today, because it's 21:06 right now, and after the long day, and I placed what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades. That's enough. Okay, that's cool for today. So I'm going to wrap this video up. So hopefully today is 100%. And as you can see right here, 7 trades, 100%. So I won all the trades. So yeah, I took some time off just to, practice on demo mode, new strategies, and see what works and what doesn't work. And this strategy seems to be working. So all you got to do is be patient and make sure you analyze the chart properly. Make sure that you are, you know, you have all the indicators saying that, yes, go ahead and make your move. Because if you're not sure, then don't risk it, because trading is already a gamble. Okay, we are gambling over here. So if you are come on, if you are gonna place a trade, try to be 100% or close to 100% accurate on your trade. um, so you can have the odds towards you instead of being against you. So as you can see right here, price didn't go up. Was it this one? No, it wasn't this one. This one right here. So as you can see, price didn't go all the way up. Seems like the trend is about to reverse. Okay. So was it this one? Not really sure. But anyway, let me see. Yeah, it was this one right here. Yeah. So price didn't go all the way up, but we managed to secure our profits. Okay, because we entered over here. Okay. So like I said to you, once you feel like, yes, it's about to reverse, it's about to pump up, then you take the trades. And quick and short trade, was quick enough to secure our gains. So that being said, guys, I'm going to wrap this video up. That doesn't mean this strategy is bulletproof. Okay, sometimes I fail, sometimes I lose trades, but I've been testing for a few days now, and the win rate is greater than the loss. Okay, so that's a good thing, right? So that being said, I'm going to wrap this video up. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.